What's good, YouTube? I'm back, man. About to, y'all see G-Ski. About to give her a cool wash for real. I'm getting a Muffler delete tomorrow morning. So this video gonna go into tomorrow morning video. Now, I see I'm a little sweating right now because I just got done washing the big body INFINITI truck, and man, you know it. It's looking real good. About to dry it down right now, man. And all that extra stuff. So yeah, I'm about to give y'all, I don't know what to call this. I guess it's the ASMR of a car wash. I don't know, but hey, man, let's do it. Yes, sir. We're on the way there now, about like 45 minutes out. It's South Silver Spring, Maryland. I'm coming from Baltimore. And I mean, you got the GoPro Hero 9 right there. Got the pipes waiting to get put on. Yes, sir. So, cool little cruise, man. I ain't getting into nothing serious until after I get these pipes put on. You know what I mean? And I'll be back at y'all. I'll probably be back. Probably pick my phone back up in like 20 minutes. Get a cool update. Let me do a quick pull so y'all hear how I sound. Stop. Start rest. Pulling up to the shop. Top Muffler's right there. Maryland, you got Daytona's right there. Okay, that's an Evo. They got some shit in here, man. Out with the old ones.
Early to make it look even, but you put something like that.
Like that? Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's cool. Alright, now, see one thing about me, I'm not gonna sit in no waiting room. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my seat, you feel me, sit inside the little doorway and see what the hell going on with the whip. You know what I mean?
Sure, you like
yeah. Y'all see how it's looking. So he's about to weld it down right now. It look good. Oh yeah, I like that right there. Yeah, that's hard. Yeah, that's hard. That sounds good. Yeah, that's hard. I get a good view. Oh, that look good. Oh yeah, that look good. Oh yeah, I like that right there a lot. Yeah, I like that a lot right there. That's hard. That's hard. That's hard right there. I don't know why I'm showing y'all the front. Oh, I gotta go straight to that back scat pack right there. Woo! Nice rumble too. Look good. This is hard though, I ain't gonna lie. This is hard. I don't know how much power he pushing, but he look like he pushing a lot. Yeah. He got gauges in there. Oh yeah. But this is hard too. Like, shit. About to give y'all some revs. Oh, that sound good. Oh yeah, that sound good. That sound real good. Yup. I might make it louder, but right now, oh, my fault. That sounds good. So this is the first pull with the muffler delete. I'm in first gear. That sounds good already. Oh, that sounds good. It's a slight tone. It's definitely a difference. Definitely a difference. Not too much louder, but definitely a difference. X4 M40i right here in front of me. Yeah, I like how she sounds. Whew. YouTube. Done with the muffler delete. Y'all can probably hold on, about to drop the gear so I can hear more. It sounds good, not too loud, nice tone. I don't know about the drone yet too much, but y'all see the old pipes right there. Sound good. And fifth gear right now. And then, so far liking it. I'ma definitely put the GoPro on top of my head and all that, so y'all can get a real, you know what I mean, POV with the muffler delete. Yes, sir. Warning.
The following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
That's a 345 RT behind me. I don't think he wants to smoke for real. Oh yeah, he coming. Oh yeah, bye-bye. 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 What you talking about? Oh yeah, you don't got me top man, boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Out on this dumb ass. Yeah, he don't want to smoke with me. Okay, RT. Oh yeah. Time. There we go. There we go. Pipe, straight pipe. Okay, Q50. I like that right there. Time. Always catching smoke in Baltimore, man. That's one thing I love. Always catching smoke. Random smoke. Ooh, police. Let's put that shit back in drive. Oh yeah, I like that right there. That should sound good. Damn. That shit loud. That shit sound good though. That's a little too loud for me. But yeah, that shit sound good.